Hi there, so I'm making this video just to show you the functionality of the website after I've connected all the e-commerce products and the buttons. The next step is making the website mobile ready. So what if you take it view it on a mobile at the moment, it's not going to display perfectly. So the designer is going to do that for me next, and then we can move the website or point your domain to this website, and then we can just connect your Stripe and then it's ready to go. Okay, so what you'll see is if you go over the countries, it shows the countries, and let me see if I go to, let's say, Mali, and let's say if I go to subscribe now, it will take me to description plans, and you can see here at the bottom that card isn't visible at the moment, so it will only appear as soon as somebody adds something to the commerce. So let's just subscribe. So you will see if I go over the buttons here at the bottom, it shows me it is connected to a product, and each one will be connected to its own product. I'll click subscribe, and then as soon as I say add to cart, what will happen is the cart will appear here in the corner, and here's my product in the cart. Okay, so let's go. I'm just going to skip the cart. I can just go to checkout. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly fill out some details here. Okay, I filled out some details. What you'll see here is going to show me what the order is about. So it's $500 every 6 months. In other words, I'm going to pay $500 today, and then by the 5th of May 2026, it will renew this subscription. If the client now subscribes, they can go into the dashboard and they can go and cancel the subscription if they don't want it to renew on the 5th of May. Okay, so let's just put our dummy credit card details in here. This is currently Stripe, so let's say maybe 10th month 28. Okay, agree to the terms and conditions. Let's place the order. Okay, so the test payment has gone through. It gives me an order number, the date, it's connected to Chantel@maripaints.com, and we've got our total that has been paid, and this is the subscription. So I can go and click on this subscription here, view, and then I can cancel my subscription, change the payment, and renew now. Okay, so this is where this will be in the dashboard. So if I click here on accounts, I go to my account, I will see all of this. Okay, and there's a billing address. So what will happen now is that Chantel has a new menu, reports in Mali. And what will happen, I'm going to buy another subscription just now, and then it will add the next country. So if I click on Mali for the report, she gets access to the reports that you still need to upload. Okay, and she can fill out the form to get custom reports. So let's buy another subscription. Let's go to Cameroon. And let's do the 3-month one, subscribe. Add to cart. Our cart will pop up here on the side. Let's go to checkout. Okay, so because Chantel's already logged in, her billing information will already be there, and so it's just telling me I can do another payment because it remembered her credit card details. I can also say add a new payment if she wants to use another credit card as well. It gives me the details. So this subscription will renew the 5th of February 2026. Okay, let's just say place, read terms and conditions, place order. Okay, so here's our new order number, then the details. Let's go to the dashboard, and then here I can see the Cameroon subscription, and again I can cancel it, and and I can change payment and renew it. If I go here to subscriptions, it's going to show me my two subscriptions I have. So it shows me this one here and this one, and when they're going to renew, and I can go and view and edit them. And then here my dashboard, I've got Cameroon and Mali now. So if I click on Cameroon, it goes to the Cameroon reports page where the person can download the reports for Cameroon. Okay, so I've instructed the designer to do the mobile ready part of the website. As soon as the mobile ready is finished, I'm just going to check it myself, and then we can point the old site to the new website and just swap over the Stripe account from the test one to the real one. And then we've already done the SEO, but then we'll just ask Google and the other search engines to index the website for us. Yeah. So in other words, the website will be live, but people will have to type in your web address to find the new website just for a day or two. Sometimes it's faster just for Google to index the new SEO. If they search for the website in Google, they will still find it, the old one, but as soon as they click on those links, it will take them to the new one. So yeah, it's we're almost finished. I think it's just to push the mobile readiness and to complete it.